This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the correct G6 sensor model and the proper tools, because wrong parts waste time and risk damage. Once powered down and battery disconnected, make a clear photo map of connectors so you can reconnect later. Use an anti-static strap and work on a clean, flat surface. This prevents electrostatic damage. Now remove the outer screws, peel back the housing gently, and expose the sensor bay. Do not yank ribbons. Release any clips first. You'll now remove the old G6 sensor carefully. Unlatch the ribbon connector by flipping the small tab toward the hinge and slide the ribbon out straight. Then, unscrew the mounting screws in a consistent pattern and store them in an ordered tray so you don't mix sizes. If the sensor is adhered, apply a few drops of 90% isopropyl alcohol around the edges to loosen glue. Wait 30 seconds. Then pry gently with a plastic tool to lift the sensor free without bending the board. You install the replacement by aligning the G6 sensor to its pads and pressing evenly to seat any adhesive. Then reinstall screws in the original order to avoid stress. Reconnect the ribbon cable and lock the latch, reconnect power, and boot the device. Watch for diagnostic LEDs or a self-test. If the sensor doesn't respond, power down, reseat the connector, and check for bent pins or continuity with a multimeter. If hardware is fine, perform the device's firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.